Welcome from beautiful, green, and cool Elkhart, Indiana, home of Embassy RV.
Yay! After being married to Jeff for 32 years and having him say, when we retire, let's get RVs and travel the country. In the beginning, years ago, I said, oh, I never want to do that. But guess what? The last few years, every day when Jeff comes home from work, he goes on YouTube and was looking at van RVs and how to create your own van RV. And I warmed up to it. But are you going to make your own RV, Jeff?
No, because I think Embassy can do it better than I can.
That's right.
Okay.
Now,
So let's go see them, okay? Because we're going to a meetup where we can see what they look like, touch them, ask people who are owners of current Embassy RVs and see what the features are and see how they like them.
all right, before we make our biggest decision.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.